Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do this Maria filter trend on TikTok. So for that you need a third-party app called CapCut. So download CapCut. Once you download CapCut, what you have to do on the app, okay, it will open up with the template section. If you can't see the template section, what you can do, use a VPN based on UK or US. You will see this template section. Okay, anyway, just search for the template Maria. Okay, the second one to the right, 20.1 million views. Just use this template. Okay, this is the template. On the bottom of the template you will see use template. Just tap there. Browse a picture from your camera roll. Okay, let's go with this picture. Okay, this is the template. Music is also there, but I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike. Okay, if you want to edit something, you can tap on it. Okay, I need to crop it a little. Okay. Once you are okay with the result, you can tap on export and you can share it to TikTok. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from CapCut, what you can do, okay, you can also visit to my TikTok. In my profile you will see this video. Okay, on the bottom of the video you will see the CapCut template. You can tap there, and from here also you can use the template. Okay, just tap on use template. So that's it guys. Likewise you can do this Maria filter trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.